Columbus, Ohio has a rich history, vibrant culture, and diverse traditions. Let's explore some key aspects. History. 1. Founding. Columbus was founded in 1812 and named after Christopher Columbus. 1. It became the state capital of Ohio in 1816. 2. Ohio State University. The presence of the Ohio State University, established in 1870, has greatly influenced the city's history. 2. It is one of the largest universities in the United States and has contributed to Columbus's growth and development. 3. Industrialization. Columbus experienced significant industrial growth in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, particularly in the manufacturing and steel industries. 3. This led to an influx of immigrants and contributed to the city's economic prosperity. Culture. 1. Arts and entertainment. Columbus has a thriving arts scene with numerous galleries, theaters, and performance venues. 1. The Columbus Museum of Art showcases both local and international art, and the Ohio Theater is a historic landmark for Broadway shows and performances. 2. Music. Columbus has a vibrant music scene and is home to many music festivals, including the Columbus Jazz and Ribs Festival and the Columbus Arts Festival. 2. The city also has a strong connection to rock music, being the birthplace of musicians such as Rascal Flatts and 21 Pilots. 3. Sports. Columbus is passionate about sports, particularly ice hockey and soccer. 3. The city is home to the NHL's Columbus Blue Jackets and the MLS's Columbus Crew SC. 3. Ohio State University's Buckeyes football team also enjoys immense popularity. Traditions. 1. Ohio State Fair. The Ohio State Fair, held annually in Columbus since 1850, is a beloved tradition. 1. It features agriculture exhibits, amusement rides, live entertainment, and various competitions, attracting visitors from across the state. 2. German Village Oktoberfest. Columbus has a strong German heritage, and the German Village neighborhood hosts an annual Oktoberfest celebration. 2. It showcases German food, music, and cultural activities, celebrating Columbus's immigrant roots. 3. Columbus Arts Festival. The Columbus Arts Festival, held downtown, celebrates visual and performing arts. 3. It brings together artists, artisans, and performers from different backgrounds, providing a platform to showcase their talents. 4. Columbus Pride Parade. The Columbus Pride Parade and Festival, one of the largest LGBTQ+ pride events in the Midwest, is an important tradition that promotes inclusivity, equality, and celebration of the LGBTQ+ community. 4. The people of Columbus, Ohio exhibit a variety of behaviors that contribute to the city's overall character. 4. Here are some key aspects of the behavior and attitudes commonly observed in the city. 5. Friendliness. Columbus is known for its friendly and welcoming residents. 5. People in Columbus tend to be polite, helpful, and approachable. 5. It is common to see strangers striking up conversations and engaging in small talk. 6. Midwest hospitality. Columbus is located in the Midwest region of the United States, known for its hospitality and down-to-earth demeanor. 6. People in Columbus often exhibit these qualities, demonstrating kindness and a willingness to assist others. 7. Civic pride. Columbus residents take pride in their city and actively participate in community activities. 7. They often support local businesses, events, and initiatives, fostering a sense of unity and belonging. 8. Progressive outlook. Columbus is known for its progressive and inclusive mindset. 8. The city has been at the forefront of LGBTQ+ rights, environmental sustainability, and social justice movements. 8. Many residents embrace diversity and actively work towards creating an inclusive community. 9. College town influence. The presence of the Ohio State University shapes the behavior and attitudes of Columbus residents. 9. The city's large student population contributes to a vibrant and youthful energy. 9. It also fosters a spirit of intellectual curiosity and a love for education. 10. Sports enthusiasm. Columbus has passionate sports fans who rally around their local teams. 10. Whether it's supporting the Buckeyes football team or cheering for the Blue Jackets or Crew SC, residents show great enthusiasm and loyalty towards their sports teams. 11. Active lifestyle. Columbus residents tend to embrace an active and healthy lifestyle. 11. The city offers numerous outdoor recreational opportunities, including parks, trails, and biking routes. 11. Fitness and wellness activities are highly valued in the community. 12. Work ethic. Columbus has a strong work ethic, and residents take pride in their professional endeavors. 12. The city's diverse economy and opportunities for career growth attract motivated individuals who are dedicated to their work. It's important to note that behaviors can vary from person to person, and these general observations may not apply to every individual in Columbus. However, these characteristics provide a glimpse into the overall behavior and attitude